All right, gonna throw a PCM at it, but hold on, control yourself. I'm freaking out because it's my truck, not yours. This thing's 25 years old. Got it help from a dude in my comments, can't remember. But to confirm basically what I had known, the PCM, it was getting knocked around and all this other stuff. So I'm having problems with my electric fans, cutting in and out, intermittently working. I'd have to put the AC on to get them to work. Having problems with the fuel control module, getting signal, but yet it still works. Also having problems with the BCM possibly, but I'll check all that out later. So the fact that I pulled this all apart, because I wanted to see, do I need a whole new harness or not? Is there brakes, all that other stuff? And you see this stuff? I want to run my starter wire, my knock sensor, and my crank sensor. So I'm going to cut pieces of the harness because I inspected every inch of this thing. And then I'm just going to sleeve it with the park shield stuff. And then just make all my butt connectors like right around here, stagger them. And, now if it's not the computer, I'll have an extra one. But basically, throttle body lifetime warranty. PCM will be lifetime warranty. Already got extra set of coils, plug wires, injectors that I carry. I just don't have a working one of these extra. And, you could basically run this whole thing. You could fix this whole truck on just a multimeter. Got RPM, so got ground, key ignition, computer.